Nancy Pelosi is up over 30% in the last 7 weeks. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 is up roughly 15% in that exact same time span. Now, by law, she is required to tell you every single trade she or her husband makes. And currently there are 3 ways to copy that. The first one is free, but it could take you hours per week to make sure you're following and staying up to date. The second one is fully automated. You might even find YouTube tutorials walking you through exactly how to build that. They just forget to tell you that it costs you over $25 per month in subscription fees and API tokens every single month until you stop doing it. And then there's a third option, which no one makes a video about because we literally created it, which allows you to do this completely for free if you want to track someone and copy the trades of someone like Nancy Pelosi and fully automate it with your own money in your own brokerage account. So by the end of this video, I want to make sure you are aware of the 3 options you have to copy the trades of Congress members like Nancy Pelosi, what exactly they all entail, how much it's going to cost you in terms of your time and money, and then ultimately how you can automate all of this for free. So the first option is the manual method. You will go to this website, disclosures-clerk.house.gov/financial disclosure. And then when you get to this page, you'll go over to the search bar on the left-hand side, and then you're just going to type in whoever you want to type in. So for example, let's type in Nancy Pelosi. You can select the filing year. So it's 2026. Let's see what she's been up to in 2026. You will see the results. We only have 1 so far. And then you'll get the PTR, the periodic transaction report, which is going to disclose all of the actions that are being made. And these are being done mostly, I believe, by her husband. She's not actually the one that's trading. It's her husband, but because it's a spouse, she is required by law to report what he's been up to, essentially like she would be taking the trades because he is privy to potentially information that she would be privy to based on her career. In order to do this, what you would have to do is you'd have to go to the site, you'd have to refresh every single day, and then you'd have to type in the members of Congress that you would like to. So yes, you can do it for free, and then you'll get a report like this. Now you'll have to decipher this report and then keep a tally and a track record of what trades Nancy Pelosi or other members of Congress have been in over time. And then when they have buys, when they have sells, you have to make sure you're updating your report, your portfolio according to these reports. Now, you can do this with the help of AI, and it's absolutely possible to do it manually and to do it for free. But if you are late, if you miss a report by a couple of days, you're only extending the amount of time from when the actual person, the Congress member, entered the trade versus when you're able to enter the trade, because they don't have to actually file this on the day that they make the trade. They have a window before they're required by law to file. And then if they don't file it by that window, there is a $200 fee, not per transaction that they missed, but per report that they filed late. I'm not even kidding. Look that up. If you go this route, there's a very good chance that by the time you see these trades, you're going to be 30, 40, 50 days old, depending upon how active you are refreshing and searching. If you're doing it every single day on every member of Congress or a select couple that you want to follow, it won't take you as long, but you still have to manually go through. And then if they've got a big report, you're gonna have to manually go through and figure out exactly what happened and how many shares, and then what you have to do to copy that in your own portfolio. The second option is right in front of you right here. It's building a N8N workflow or a workflow like this that'll essentially do all of that work that we were just doing manually, but do it for us automatically. So it involves scanning the reports every single day. Then it involves AI interpreting the reports to determine what needs to be done. Was there a buy? Was there a sell? How many shares? How many contracts? All of those different things. Sending it through this entire workflow, and then ultimately somehow automating that with your own brokerage account or sending you an alert so that you can go and take the trade manually. That can absolutely be done, but this is quite complex. We literally built this entire end-to-end workflow. So if you want to see this workflow, I will leave a link to the JSON file below this video. So if you ever want to check it out, you can actually just plug that JSON file into N8N as a new workflow, and this entire thing will pop up. So you can see it all, edit it all, customize it for yourself, whatever you want to do. It's totally free. It's just linked below. But the problem with this is it's going to still cost you time and money. Now, we did all the upfront grunt work, so you don't have to do this yourself, but you could have come to this conclusion yourself. N8N is going to cost you at least $20 a month, and that's if you buy the yearly or the annual plan. So $24 per month for the starter plan. If you're going monthly, you have to make sure it's published and running. But then depending upon exactly how you set this up, you could be paying for tokens to utilize the platforms like OpenAI that are involved in the script. So if you're paying monthly for OpenAI or if you're paying per usage, it's still going to cost you more money. So you're looking at $25 a month roughly or more, depending upon your plan for N8N to run this. But then if you're not automating with AlphaInsider, which is the end result of this specific script, you need to have a different way to automate the trades, which could cost you more in tokens. It could cost you more headaches and problems down the road, or you got to send it to yourself manually, and then you'll have to immediately go and place a trade manually once this report hits you in an email. It could be a text message, it could be a Discord message, a Telegram message, something like that. So it doesn't quite eliminate all the manual steps and all of the money it's going to cost. But now there is a way to eliminate all of these steps. You don't have to do this. And the money that it's going to cost you. You don't have to have an end subscription. You could simply subscribe to Nancy Pelosi's portfolio on AlphaInsider and take the exact same trades that she takes every time a new PTR report comes out. So here's how it'll work. You'll first create an account with AlphaInsider. It is completely free to do. You'll come to a page that looks like this. In the search, what you're going to do is you're going to type in Congress Tracker. You can also just type in Pelosi and you'll find her right there. But either way, you're going to get to the same place. Now, in the Congress Tracker, we can see all the members of Congress that are being tracked with that exact N8N workflow that I just showed you. This is all being automated every single day at 10 a.m. That is going to scan through to see if there are any new reports that are being filed. And then it's going to automatically update the portfolios and take the proper trades that need to be taken based on those filings. I'll go into Nancy Pelosi, or it could be any member of Congress that you would like to automate. We just released this in early April, so we only have data going back to then, but we can see that the market's done well, and all members of Congress, if they've been in individual stocks, many of them, I should say not all, are doing exceptionally well because a lot of individual stocks have outperformed the S&P over the past couple of weeks, past 6 or 7 weeks. And so that's why Nancy Pelosi, as an example, is up so much, even though she does have a pretty diversified portfolio. From here, there'll be a subscribe button. I've already subscribed to Nancy Pelosi, but there'll be a subscribe button, and then there'll be an auto trade button. Now, briefly, if I don't want to auto trade this, I can actually turn notifications on so that every single time a trade is taken, I will get a notification, and then I can download the AlphaInsider app and have it sent directly to my phone every time a trade is taken. So every time a trade goes live, I can now go and go, okay, great, I'm going to go take this trade myself. And then boom, 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 I can manually take care of it. And that's totally an option if you want to have that manual control. But if you don't, and you want the full automation side of this, click on the auto trade button, and then you will have the option to add a broker connection. So in the case of stocks right now, Alpaca is one of the best to do exactly what we're trying to do here. Now, a couple of things. You can create a paper account with Alpaca to test things out first, free. You can make a live account with Alpaca and automate one member of Congress for free. So Nancy Pelosi is an example. You can absolutely do that for free. This right here, this is the PDT regulation. June 4th, the PDT rule is no longer. On June 4th, Alpaca other brokers will not require you to have $25,000 in your brokerage account in order to day trade actively. The reason why this has been there is for that exact reason. In case someone automates a strategy on AlphaInsider, which there are many strategies, some of them are actually day trading. These are members of Congress. They don't day trade usually. So there's not really a huge risk of hitting the PDT rule with these guys, but it's possible. Because of that, we had a $25,000 minimum in order to be able to do this. That is going to drop dramatically. So in early June, or if it's after that, this number will not be $25,000. It will be dramatically lower. You'll enter your API keys, which only gives permissions to trade, not deposit, not withdraw. You still take care of all of that on Alpaca side. And then you'll come to a page that looks like this. Now, this page will only have one trading strategy. In the case of this trading strategy, it's Nancy Pelosi's portfolio, which we're tracking as a trading strategy. These are all the other ones that I've had connected to my Alpaca bot, which just allows me to diversify. So I don't have to only be trading Nancy Pelosi. I can trade somebody else, other members of Congress, or I can trade my own trading strategies that I've built or others that I found on AlphaInsider. But what you can do is then set the allocation of how much of your Alpaca account you would like dedicated to trading Nancy Pelosi's portfolio. So let's say you had $10,000 in your Alpaca account, you didn't use any leverage, and you said, you know what, I want 10% of my account to trade Nancy Pelosi. Well, it'll essentially take $1,000 from Alpaca and it will distribute it based on all the positions in Nancy Pelosi's portfolio and the percentage weights that they have. If you wanted to make a separate Alpaca account, go 100%, and that entire account is all Pelosi, go for it. Then you'll come to a page that looks like this, where you can see your performance over time. You can turn the trading bot on and off, change your edit allocations, add new ones, and then see your strategies all in one place. So we can see that Nancy Pelosi, she's doing the best basically out of all of these as of late. And quite honestly, it's not even close. Some of these have done very well, but they haven't been very active in terms of trades. So what this is doing the exact same thing as the N8N workflow. It just does not require you to have an N8N subscription, and it does not require you to pay AlphaInsider if you want to automate one member of Congress, in the case of Nancy Pelosi, automating her portfolio. Now, if you wanted to automate her portfolio, other strategies, or other members of Congress all inside of one trading bot or create multiple trading bots, that's when we do have to charge, because we're literally losing money on doing this. But we want to show you guys that it's possible and that you can actually do this for free and give people the ability to do it for free, which, to be honest, you can't really do unless you take all of those manual steps right now. Please leave any questions you have in the comment section. I'm going to leave a link to the JSON file, which is this file right here. If you save this as a JSON file, this entire thing, or you take this link and you copy this link and you paste it into a new workflow on N8N, you will get this exact page right here, which then you can go ahead, mess around with, edit, or even use it as a template for something else if you would like. But again, N8N does cost money per month, but we're giving you the workflow for free and the JSON file. I will also leave a direct link to this page right here, which is the Congress tracker, where you can find Nancy Pelosi as well as all the other members of Congress that we are tracking every single day live on AlphaInsider. That will be linked below this video. As you can see, Pelosi's doing well. She's beating the market, but there's a couple other members of Congress that are doing even better since early April when we started tracking them. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys next time.